things I wish I knew before I turned 25. You learn way more from your mistakes than you will ever learn from your successes. Your career is a journey, not a destination. Don't get too caught up on a title or a job position. Just focus on growing yourself. Focus on learning new skills and figuring out who the hell you are. Go to the gym. It's important to prioritize your mental and your physical health. It's okay to get guidance and help from other people. This will help you to grow. Find a mentor that is going to teach you how to get where you want to go. Stop trying to figure it out on your own. It's okay to change your mind. It's also okay to change your career. Your interests and your goals may change over time, and that's totally normal. Networking is so important. It's not about what you can do, it's about who you know. So get out there and start talking to people. If you can't pay for it in cash, you don't need it. Don't buy that thing. You can't afford it. It's important that you have a work-life balance. Stop prioritizing your work over your personal life. Don't compare yourself to other people. Everybody is on their own path and their own journey. It's never too late to learn something new. Always keep an open mind. The opinions of other people are honestly so irrelevant. The only person's opinion of you that matters is yours. You have to go to sleep with yourself at night. Stop listening to what everyone else is telling you to do and sit down and ask yourself, what do you really want to do? He's not treating you how you want to be treated. Treat yourself the way you want to be treated. Trust your gut. It's always right. Don't ever let somebody else determine your happiness.